Hey, I'm gonna try something a little different today. So, we got some Canarias here, and I thought I'd just make a mate. Let's make one. I'll kind of walk you through my process and what I like to do. As always, I'm too cheap to buy a tripod for my camera or my phone, so I'll just do this. I like to film on about halfway. About halfway. There we go. A little Canarias Serena and the bulk of mate. Just give it a little shake. And then in doing that, you're knocking the larger pieces towards the bottom and getting the fine powdery goodness at the top. I like to just wet mine just a little, let it set for a second. And then I had some mate prepared before, so we're not waiting. Got this little bombicha. I've been really liking these. I found this online for really cheap, and it's been great. It's been great for drinking the shimahao too. But yeah, usually just let it sit. This guy sit for a second, and yeah, the water will just slowly absorbs into it. It's kind of cool. Anyways, let's set this guy. Important. Cover the top. Let's set that guy in. Hear that little pop. Should give me some good airflow. Here we go. Golden. Got really dark. Yeah, Canarias Serena. This one's been a go-to forever. Love it. Yeah. Awesome stuff. Yeah, I thought I'd just try this different format. Going through, just showing a little more of my process. I guess in a way this has been sort of a how-to, and yeah, hope it was helpful. Happy sipping, guys. Cheers.